Hello friends and fiends, it is Wave, and today I'm going to be doing the Cherry Cola times Morphe collection unboxing. I wanted to do this collection in particular because I love Cherry Cola, and also I thought the aesthetic was uber cute. I'd like to give a content warning. This video has flashing lights throughout. Please be careful, and I recommend you not watching if you think that would cause any harm in any way. I am just getting everything out of the box already. The colours look gorgeous. They are so vibrant. Cherry is one of my favourite colours, alongside blue of course. And this definitely does justice to the Coke colours and vibrancy and aesthetic. And to start with, we have some beauty blenders. We have two big ones and a smaller one, and they are all various different shades of red to pinky red. They feel very nice and they feel very soft, and I'm very excited to give them a try. And then secondly, we have this gorgeous box. I love the little cherry in the Cherry Coke name. I really like the design of the packaging. It feels very retro, very colourful. And these are the two products in the box. And inside we have some lip gloss and some blusher. When I saw the ad for this lip gloss, I was so excited because the colour just looked gorgeous. It is the most beautiful thick cherry colour. Who doesn't want cherry cola on their lips? Like, come on. And look at that. It is beautiful. It is one of my favourite shades of red by far, and I am just in love with it. I think the lip gloss is one of my favourite products from the whole kit. And then this is the blusher. Don't mind me being a bit clumsy. I'm also not very good at swatches, but... And then look at that. It is so pretty, so shimmery, such a gorgeous colour. This one is a lot brighter than the lip gloss. Still very good coverage. This is just less of a deep red colour, if you know what I mean. And then we're on to the last item already. This is going so quick, but this is the big cahoots. Is everyone ready? Bum bum bum! I present to you the Cherry Coke makeup palette. This tin, again, it is magical. It is smack back on with the packaging. The saturation is stunning. And here are the colours. I love the colours in this palette so much. I'm not sure, I think it's just totally my colour range. Like, I think deep reds and pinky reds really flatter my undertones. I have very rosy cheeks. And I love a bit of shimmer, of course. But no, I just think these colours are absolutely gorgeous. There is a wide variety, dark, light, shimmery. I have had to borrow my girlfriend's arm for this part. She is letting me swatch her. I am a bit messy at swatches, and some of them I have to do 2 layers just so I can give y'all a full look at the colour. This is definitely not the most graceful or elegant portion, but I'm hoping it's just an honest look of what to expect, really. Now these eyeshadows are not quite as pigmented as other higher end brands I've had before, but they are also a much more affordable price and the colours are gorgeous, so I am not too upset at all. And this is the first row of swatches. I also feel like sheer colours can be useful. Sometimes you don't want all your colours to be hyperpigmented, especially for things like layering or if you just want a light look. We are just going in and doing the second row. I am definitely not a makeup channel. Swatching is definitely not my forte. Wow, that red I just love so much. And now we're going into the third row. I really, like I said before, not only do these tones just kind of flatter my skin, but I like that there are also more earthy tones in there, and they're all very like deep. And there's a combination of very deep tones as well as very neutral and light tones. I think they'll go together really well. But y'all, please let me know what you think, and also if you haven't subscribed already, please consider subscribing. And that is the third row done. Thank you very much, May, for letting me use your arm. Overall, I am very glad I got this palette. It's kind of a novelty thing, I'd say. And also, I just shot a bubble tea video and the bubble tea colour matches the cherry colour almost perfectly. Thank you for watching. Good night, sleep tight, and dream of revolution tonight.